How to recover PayPal password without a phone number. So what happens, I will show you the steps which you can follow. You have to just go to your PayPal login page, right? So let me just log out from here. So I will just go and log out. Now this is a PayPal. I will just go and click on login on the top right, and then I have to enter the passwords and emails here, right? So once we do it, I will able to log in. But what happen if I forget my password? So let's go and click on forgotten password here. I will say is just a second. Now here you will get this lot of option. Use this PayPal app, get a text, get an email, get a WhatsApp text, confirm your credit card number, right? So we have a lot of option. So the first thing that is easy that use the PayPal app. So if you have a PayPal app installed on your phone, it will really easy to log in. So let's say I'll just go with the first second here. Let's confirm it's you. So automatically on your phone, it will show that confirm that it is you. The second thing is that get a text here, right? So it's a phone, so I can't show you this method, right? Because you don't want to recover your password through your phone number. Get an email. So let's try with the email. So here, email is really easy. This is an email. Now once I go and click on next, automatically it will send a notification that recover your account, or let's say change your password or create a new password and just get back to your account. Third thing is get a WhatsApp text. I'm sure it will be connected to your phone number, so I will not just go with this one. Now this is really easy. Confirm your credit card number. So I will just go and click on next. It will ask my credit card number and some information, and once you let's say here card number and confirm it, automatically you will get option to create a new password. So in this way you can just recover PayPal password without phone number. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.